Did you know that you can use an actual paintbrush to paint on your iPad? Here's how. First, you'll be needing a regular paintbrush, water, and a tissue paper. Next, go to Google and look for an outline of the cartoon you want to color. I chose a Minion cartoon. Then go to App Store, download the app called Adobe Fresco. Next, open the app and then choose a canvas size. I'm just gonna choose the letter. Then tap the gallery icon, click photos, then import the outline of the photo you saved. Make sure you're on that layer. Click the layer properties. For the blend mode, click multiply so you can paint underneath it. Now go to the layer below the outline. For the brushes, you have to go to the watercolor and then round detail will do. After that, you can select a color and then lower the opacity. So here's where the magic begins. You just have to wet your brush in the water and then wipe the excess on the tissue paper. Now you can use your actual paintbrush to paint on your digital canvas. So if you don't have an Apple Pencil but you have an iPad, you can do this trick. So just color all the spots that is yellow. Don't worry about the strokes that went beyond the lines because we can erase those later. Using the eraser tool, you just have to erase the extra strokes. Clean everything up to make it look seamless. Using a darker color, you can add the shadow and watch it blend. Add another layer, pick the color gray, and then fill in the color on the goggles of the Minion. When the brush becomes dry, you can dip it again into the water. Now, let's pick color blue to color the outfit of the Minion. Okay, before I forget, make sure that your iPad has a tempered glass so it won't get damaged along the process. Pick a darker shade of blue for the shadows. Now just look at that blend. And finally, use dark gray for the gloves. I can't believe that this is all happening digitally and not on paper. And to finalize, let's paint on the shoes of the Minion. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this digital watercolor hack using an actual watercolor paintbrush. If you love it, comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow for more satisfying art videos.